Hi, hello friends, welcome back to Wanganing and Anolans YouTube channel. I hope you like my last Christmas and New Year firecrackers video, and I hope you like the video and wish you all a very happy New Year. So in this video we're going to watch the snow about the Sweden and what are things they will do in the snow, like entertainment as well as the risky part of cleaning the snow and so many things in this you're going to watch in this video. It's like a little tall video, and also you will see the frozen river and how much they are spending the money for the cleaning the snow. It's all the things you will see. So let's go and watch. But the thing, I'm going to jump to the other place and we will watch from there. Okay, jump. Yes. Heavy snow. As I told you, I will jump from one place to another place, so that's what we did. Okay, we come to the point. Sweden government especially, they're spending a 600 million, that means $250 million amount SEK for cleaning the snow. Why they are doing it? Because they want to reduce the accident during the winter. The roads are slippery, you can't walk in the road like normally we can't walk. We need to wear the winter shoes and winter jacket and so many things, and especially for the automobiles, like moving vehicles, they won't be stable, they get a skid, that is the reason they will change the tire, winter tire, like a studded tire during the winter time. So, and why they're spending so much? Because they want to reduce the accident maximum level because of the snow. So it will completely frozen, so that's the reason they're doing, and they're using a heavy machinery equipments and labor during cleaning during the night time. Why they're doing it? Because they don't want to disturb the public. And one more thing, they're using sodium chloride. That means it's a road salt which is melt the snow, like dilute the snow. That is the reason they're using sodium chloride, that's a road salt, and that also it's very expensive. It's going from the tax amounts, the taxpayer which they are giving the money, that's the money they're using to cleaning the snow and so many things. And also we will watch in this video like a snow sludge and so many things. It's like a huge video, like it's take too much time. So watch the video completely and definitely you will guys like it. So we will go and rock the video, and you will see so many things like, sky king and snow and Christmas time. This is a long video. So please don't mistake me. Watch the video completely. Definitely you will like it. It's a very beautiful video. Let's go and watch the video. Same river we were in the summer, we are doing a fishing, but this same river now it's completely frozen. You can see it's completely frozen, completely ice. So during this time they not do yacht or boating or anything or any fishing. So this is completely frozen. Still is snow falling. So as I told you, during especially for the winter time, all these rivers are completely frozen, ice. So you can't do anything like winter time or thing except snow skiing. Hi, hello friends. Hope you like this video and you learn a lot of things and lot of things about the snow in this video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends, and we will see you in the next amazing video. Till then, I'm Rushandra Kumaraja. Stay tuned, One Ending and Annual YouTube channel. Love you all. Bye.